Magluluto ako ngayon ng black glutinous rice. So first, I have to wash this. So, I wash already. Next, I will add hot water. So instead of cooking it straight, i-kuan lang natin. What do you call this one? I-soak ng 3 hours. So right now it's 10:45 a.m. And we'll make the alarm for 3 hours and then we will make it as an inkiwar. It is Ilocano word. If we will say inkiwar, it's mekos mekos. What is mekos mekos in English? Ask Google and Google will answer. So soak it. Set aside. So, habang ako ay nagsusoak ng glutinous rice na black, ipapakita ko ulit itong aking regalo. Pasalubong from the Philippines. From Davao City. Davao City. Ganda-ganda. Ganda-ganda talaga. At ako'y maglalaba. Ayan, basta Sabado dito sa bahay ko, kailangan nang maglaba. Ako'y taga-laba at ang asawa ko'y taga-tupi.
2,000 years later.
Let's continue. It's been like almost 3 hours. Atat na ako na magluto kaya let's cook. We will add hot water. And let's cook for 25 minutes. First, high heat. And then when it starts to boil, we're going to just simmer it so that hindi didikit sa ilalim ng pan. Yan. Para naman may lasa. Hindi sugar ang ilalagay natin because the sugar will be later. Okay, let's start to cook now. Okay, so dito naman, habang yung rice ay niluluto, ay shoot, sorry, gagawa naman tayo ng latik. It's my first time na gagawa ng latik. Hopefully, magkatotoo. Ayan. So, it's boiling. Let's see if magmamantika siya. So, dito naman sa kabila, the black glutinous rice is almost done. Another 10 minutes. Sobrang bango. Ang sarap ng amoy. Ay, kailangan palang halo. I thought we're not going to halo-halo. My gosh, it's my first time. Okay, so because it's very, very oily na, I'm not going to remove the latik. We're going to add brown sugar. Estimate na lang yan. Doesn't matter how many cups you're gonna put. Kung ano yung taste nyo. Kasi sa akin, basta may lasang matamis kunti, okay na. And here, luto na rin ang glutinous rice. It's not 100% luto. half cook kasi iluto natin mamaya dito. Okay, haluin natin saglit kasi nabubuo na yung sugar doon. Yan. So it's boiling now. We're going to add coconut milk. Takpan saglit hanggang kumulo. Ang bango-bango. It's boiling. Okay, so it's malapot-lapot na. We're going to add the cooked glutinous rice. Yan. Ang bango-bango. Anyways, be sure to stir every now and then kasi pag hindi yan ihalo-halo or imekos-mekos, didikit sa ilalim. Kaya pag nakita nyo ng kumukulong ganyan, ihalo na. Ang bango-bango na ang lumalabas. Malapit na siyang maluto. Dumidikit na sa ilalim. Another 15 minutes, luto na to. And here is the outcome. Ayan. Black glutinous rice. Biko. Hot. Makunat-kunat. Sweet and salty. Mas magaling pa rin ang nanay ko. But, pwede naman kainin. Ibig sabihin, hindi masyadong masarap. Mas magaling pa rin ang nanay ko. Number 1 pa rin ang nanay ko. Anyways, thank you again for watching and see you next time. Bye-bye.